How to create a channel in Slack. If you have been using the Slack application and wondering on how to create a channel on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Slack application, just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to create a channel, tap on the plus button right here, select it. Then here you can find channel, tap on it. Now to create a channel, simply give the name of the channel, just like this, and tap on to next. And you can simply choose the visibility to public or private and then tap on to create. And now you can see you have simply created a channel. You can also add members now. And that's it. This is how you can create a channel in the Slack. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.